Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Topic for today's quiz is Geography of India. Question number 1. The alpine vegetation in the Western Himalayas is found only up to a height of 3,000 meters, while in the Eastern Himalayas it is found up to a height of 4,000 meters. The reason for this variation in the same range is that Option A. Eastern Himalayas are higher than Western Himalayas. Option B. Eastern Himalayas is nearer to the equator and seacoast than the Western Himalayas. Option C. Eastern Himalayas get more monsoon rainfall than the Western Himalayas. Option D. Eastern Himalayan rocks are more fertile than the Western Himalayan rocks. The correct answer is Option C. Eastern Himalayas get more monsoon rainfall than the Western Himalayas. The alpine vegetation in the Eastern Himalayas is found up to 4,000 meters because in the Eastern Himalayas the monsoon rainfall is higher than the Western Himalayas. Question number 2. The palaeomagnetic results obtained from India indicate that in the past, the Indian landmass has moved. Option A. Northward. Option B. Southward. Option C. Eastward. Option D. Westward. The correct answer is Option A. Northward. The palaeomagnetic results indicate that the Indian landmass has moved to the north, breaking from Africa. Question number 3. The Indian subcontinent was originally a part of a huge mass called Option A. Jurassic landmass. Option B. Aryavarta. Option C. Indiana. Option D. Gondwana continent. The correct answer is Option D. Gondwana continent. Geologists believe that the Indian peninsula was a part of the Gondwana land continent, which drifted northwards, and India, Africa, and other parts separated from each other. Question number 4. Which one of the following mountain ranges is spread over only one state in India? Option A. Arvali. Option B. Satpura. Option C. Ajanta. Option D. Sahyadri. The correct answer is Option C. Ajanta. Ajanta mountain range, a short range, which spreads within Maharashtra. Aravalli ranges cover Rajasthan, Haryana, and Delhi. Satpura ranges are found in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Sahyadri's ranges start from Gujarat, Maharashtra border, and crossing Goa, Karnataka. It reaches Kerala tip up to Cape Comorin. Ajanta is found in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. Question number 5. The national highway from Amritsar to Calcutta via Delhi is numbered. Option A. 1. Option B. 2. Option C. 4. Option D. 8. The correct answer is Option B. 2. National highway from Amritsar to Calcutta via Delhi is called National Highway No. 2. It was called Grand Trunk Road and was constructed by Sher Shah. Question number 6. High temperature and low pressure over the Indian subcontinent during the summer season draws air from the Indian Ocean, leading to the inblowing of the Option A. Southeast monsoon. Option B. Southwest monsoon. Option C. Trade winds. Option D. Westerlies. The correct answer is Option B. Southwest monsoon. Due to the intensive low-pressure belt developed in the northwestern plains, the southwest monsoon enters the Indian subcontinent. It blows from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. Question number 7. As per the 1991 census, which one of the following states has a lower population density than the other three? Option A. Sikkim. Option B. Nagaland. Option C. Meghalaya. Option D. Manipur. The correct answer is Option A. Sikkim. Ranking of states and union territories by density in 1991. Sikkim -57, Nagaland -73, Meghalaya 79, Manipur 82. Question number 8. In the Indian context, the term the notified tribes refers to Option A. Tribes which are aboriginals. Option B. Nomadic tribes. Option C. Tribes practicing shifting cultivation. Option D. Tribes which were earlier classified as criminal tribes. The correct answer is Option D. Tribes which were earlier classified as criminal tribes. Denotified tribe in India refers to the tribes who were originally listed under the Originally Terrible Act of 1871. They are also known as Vimukta Jati. Question number 9. Which one of the following rivers thrice forks into two streams and reunites a few miles farther on, thus forming the islands of Srirangapattanam, Sivasamudram, and Srirangam? Option A. Kaveri. Option B. Tungabhadra. Option C. Krishna. Option D. Godavari. The correct answer is Option A. Kaveri. River Kaveri has formed three big islands on her journey from Talakaveri to join the Bay of Bengal Sea. The islands are Srirangapattanam, Sivasamudram in Karnataka, and Srirangam in Tamil Nadu. All three islands are pilgrimage centers with temples dedicated to Lord Ranganatha. Question number 10. You might see a few curious Danes around, but that is because used to be a Danish outpost. This quaint town with its fort and a beautiful church, the New Jerusalem, empty streets, and deserted beachfront is a quaint gem. The place referred to in this quotation lies on the Option A. Tamil Nadu coast. Option B. Kerala coast. Option C. Karnataka coast. Option D. Goa coast. The correct answer is Option A. Tamil Nadu coast. The New Jerusalem Church was built by Royal Danish missionary Bartolomeus Siegenbalg in a coastal town of Tarangambadi, Tamil Nadu in 1718. Question number 11. The January isotherm taken as a basis for dividing India into tropical and subtropical zones is Option A. 21 degrees Celsius. Option B. 180 degrees Celsius. Option C. 12 degrees Celsius. Option D. 15 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is Option D. 15 degrees Celsius. The January isotherm taken as a basis for dividing India into tropical and subtropical zones is 15 degrees Celsius. Question number 12. The Almaty is on the river. Option A. Godavari. Option B. Kaveri. Option C. Krishna. Option D. Mahanadi. The correct answer is Option C. Krishna. The Almaty Dam is built on the river Krishna in Karnataka. It is a multi-purpose project. The water is used in canal irrigation and hydroelectric production. Question number 13. The canal carrying capacity of Farakka is Option A. 75,000 casseques. Option B. 70,000 casseques. Option C. 40,000 casseques. Option D. 35,000 casseques. The correct answer is Option C. 40,000 casseques. The canal carrying capacity of Farakka barrage is 40,000 casseques. Farakka barrage is a 2,245 meter long barrage across the river Ganga. Question number 14. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? Option A. Teak, Jammu and Kashmir. Option B. Devdar, Madhya Pradesh. Option C. Sandalwood, Kerala. Option D. Sundari, West Bengal. The correct answer is Option D. Sundari, West Bengal. Sundari tree is found in the Sundarban area of West Bengal. Sundarban is the largest wetland area in the world. Sundarban got its name itself due to the abundance of the Sundari tree in this area. Question number 15. According to the latest census figures, sex ratio in India. Option A. Declining. Option B. Stable. Option C. Increasing. Option D. Fluctuating. The correct answer is Option D. Fluctuating. In the 1981 census, the sex ratio in India was 934. By 1991 it had declined to 927 per 1,000 men. In the 2001 census it rose to 933. This shows that it keeps on fluctuating depending upon various factors. Question number 16. The tribal population in Andaman and Nicobar Islands belongs to the Option A. Australoid race. Option B. Caucasoid race. Option C. Mongoloid race. Option D. Negroid race. The correct answer is Option D. Negroid race. The tribal population in Andaman and Nicobar Islands belong Negroid race. A small population of Shompen and Nicobars are Mongoloid Ghaghara. Question number 17. Which one of the following east-flowing rivers of India has rift valley due to downwarping? Option A. Damodar. Option B. Mahanadi. Option C. Sone. Option D. Yamuna. The correct answer is Option A. Damodar. Damodar is an east-flowing river with rift valley due to downwarping. Downwarp denotes a segment of the Earth's crust that is broadly bent downward. Question number 18. The discovery of oak flora in 1966 added a new chapter to the history of Indian sericulture. Which one of the following states is the leading producer of oak tassar silk? Option A. Assam. Option B. Bihar. Option C. Manipur. Option D. Orissa. The correct answer is Option A. Assam. The oak tassar silk is produced in Assam, which is used in sericulture. The oak flora was discovered in 1966 in Assam. Question number 19. What is the correct sequence of the following Indian states in descending order of their length of surface roads per 100 km² of their areas? Option A. Haryana. Option B. Maharashtra. Option C. Punjab. Option D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Option A. Haryana. Arrangement of descending order of the surface roads per 100 square a kilometer of their area. Tamil Nadu has 158.78 kilometers. Punjab has 127.78 kilometers. Maharashtra has 117.61 kilometers. Haryana has 63.70 kilometers. Question number 20. Some people in Manipur live in a house built on floating islands of weeds and decaying vegetation held together by suspended silt. These are called Option A. Tipis. Option B. Barkhans. Option C. Fumdis. Option D. Isba. The correct answer is Option C. Fumdis. Some people in Manipur live in a house built on floating islands of weeds and decaying vegetation held together by suspended silt. These islands are called Fumdis. Question number 21. Which one of the following sets of states benefits the most from the Konkan Railway? Option A. Goa, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Kerala. Option B. Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Option C. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Goa, Maharashtra. Option D. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Option A. Goa, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Kerala. Konkan Railway route connects Rohai in Maharashtra with Mangalore in Karnataka. Konkan Railway established with partnership of three states Maharashtra, Goa, and Karnataka. The state of Goa, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Kerala benefit most from the Konkan Railway. Question number 22. Which one of the following pairs of cities has recently been connected through a 6-lane expressway? Option A. Ahmedabad, Vadodara. Option B. Dhaka, Chittagong. Option C. Islamabad, Lahore. Option D. Mumbai, Pune. The correct answer is Option D. Mumbai, Pune. Question number 23. The minimum land area recommended for the forest cover to maintain proper ecological balance in India is Option A. 25%. Option B. 33%. Option C. 43%. Option D. 53%. The correct answer is option B. 33%. For proper ecological balance, 33% of forest land is recommended, but in India, we have only 20.14% of forest coverage. Question number 24. The first marine sanctuary in India, within its bounds coral reefs, mollusca, dolphins, tortoises, and various kinds of seabirds, has been established in option A. Sundarbans. Option B. Chilka Lake. Option C. Gulf of Kutch. Option D. Lakshadweep. The correct answer is option C. Gulf of Kutch. Gulf of Kutch in 1980, 270 kilometers from Obha to Sadia. Question number 25. Which one of the following pairs of states and tribes is not correctly matched? Option A. Assam, Miri. Option B. Nagaland, Konyak. Option C. Arunachalapatani. Option D. Madhya Pradesh, Lambada. The correct answer is option D. Madhya Pradesh, Lambada. Lambada tribes are found in Rajasthan and not in Madhya Pradesh. Question number 26. If it is 10 a.m. IST, then what would be the local time at Shillong on 92 degrees E longitude? Option A. 9:38 a.m. Option B. 10:30 a.m. Option C. 10:22 a.m. Option D. 9:22 a.m. The correct answer is option B. 10:30 a.m. Question number 27. The Rawa offshore block, with great potential for oil, is located in option A. Krishna, Godavari Basin. Option B. Kaveri Basin. Option C. Mahanadi Basin. Option D. Palar, Pennar Basin. The correct answer is option A. Krishna, Godavari Basin. The Rawa offshore block in Krishna, Godavari Basin of Andhra Pradesh. It is the area of a great reserve of petroleum and natural gas. Question number 28. Which one of the following statements is not true? Option A. Ghaggar's water is utilized in the Indira Gandhi Canal. Option B. Narmada rises from Amarkantak region. Option C. Nizam Sagar is situated on the Manjara River. Option D. Penganga is a tributary of the Godavari. The correct answer is option A. Ghaggar's water is utilized in the Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal originated from Harike Barrage at Sultanpur on Satluj, but Ghaggar is a tributary of river Saraswati, which ends in the Thar Desert. Question number 29. Which one of the following pairs of primitive tribes and places of their inhabitation is not correctly matched? Option A. Buksa, Puri Garhwal. Option B. Kol, Jabalpur. Option C. Munda, Chota Nagpur. Option D. Korba, Kodagu. The correct answer is option D. Korba, Kodagu. Korba tribe is found in Chota Nagpur of Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand, whereas Kodagu is a district in Karnataka. Question number 30. Which one of the following statements is true according to the 1991 census data? Option A. UP has the highest density of population in India. Option B. Himachal Pradesh has the highest female to male sex ratio in India. Option C. West Bengal has the highest growth rate of population in India. Option D. Bihar has the lowest literacy rate in India. The correct answer is option D. Bihar has the lowest literacy rate in India. According to the 1991 census data, Bihar had the lowest rate of literacy at 47.53%. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.